Welcome to the Hamptons. This is 185 Bishop's Lane in the heart of Southampton Village. I'm Kristian Vasquez, and I got the key. Now wait a second. Before we go inside, let me give you some details on what this house has to offer. The house has 6 bedrooms, 7.5 baths, approximately 7,000 square feet of interior space, sitting on 0.6 acres. It's also built and designed by renowned developer Georgica Builders, and it's listed at $4.995 million. Now that you have all the details, let's go inside and see what this house looks like. Come on in. Wow, now this is an entrance. I love how they accentuated the room with shiplap and crown molding. I like how they used the dark contrast on the door and the wrought iron on the staircase. Now that's an entrance, guys. There's so much more to this house. I need to take you guys to the next room. So follow me and let's take a look inside. Come on. The living room offers an imported Italian marble gas fireplace. This is absolutely gorgeous. Notice the shiplap and the light oak floors continue throughout the main floor. But what really catches my eye are these oversized sliding glass doors that lead to the heated 20-foot by 40-foot Gunite pool. But wait a second, we can't show you the backyard yet. Let's save that for a little later. Let me show you the rest of the main floor. First, we'll see the chef's kitchen. State-of-the-art chef's kitchen. Come on. As you see, we have custom cabinetry throughout. Absolutely beautiful. And I love how it's all white and it has stainless steel appliances. We have custom countertops, which are white quartz, and the backsplash is porcelain design. I love the accents and I love the detail. We also have top of the line Thor gas range. For those of you that like to cook, this is a perfect gas range for you to do so. Let me take you to the refrigerator. Refrigerator is nice and big. You can fully stock it with all your favorite beverages. Mine happens to be Montauk pink lemonade. Ooh. Delicious. And just before you get to the junior master, there's a conveniently placed laundry room right next to it. And adjacent to that, across the hall, is a half bath. Now let's get into the junior master. The first thing you notice is how bright this room is. It's wrapped with beautiful big windows and custom molding. So we finished the main floor, but I know you guys are super excited to see the backyard. So here it is. Follow me so I can show you everything this backyard has to offer. First off, it's beautifully landscaped. As you see the shrubbery around the house, we have a hand-chipped custom stone retaining wall in the back. Now just before that, we have a 20 by 40 beautiful heated Gunite pool. This is where the parties are gonna be. Hold up. You guys are still back here? Come on upstairs. We have so much more to show you. Come on, let's go. Oh, sorry. This bed is fit for a king. Super comfortable. And by the way, did you enjoy that view? Well, all of this comes with the master suite. And let me tell you, I don't think I mentioned this, but all this furniture comes with the house when you purchase it. But I have to show you something that I'm staring at right now, and you're gonna love it. Come on. Woo! Just like on the first floor, in your master bedroom, you have a custom Italian marble gas fireplace. This is absolutely beautiful and stunning, along with your oak wood floors throughout the second floor as well. Let me take you to the ensuite bathroom. Come on. Now this is absolutely gorgeous. Marble floors, marble countertops throughout. And you have your soaking bathtub right here, overlooking your beautiful backyard. Guys, this bathroom is stunning. I love it. Now that you've seen the ensuite bathroom and you've seen the master bedroom, let me take you to the walk-in closet to see where you're gonna put all your clothes. Now, as you see, there's ample space for everything that you possibly could think of. You saw how amazing this master suite is with its beautiful views of your backyard, large walk-in closets, and your super sweet master bath. But that's not all your second floor has to offer. We also have 3 guest bedrooms, all with ensuite bathrooms and large walk-in closets, and large windows to allow in all that natural light. Take a look. This is a great show. Have you guys ever seen this show before? I Got the Key. It's on YouTube. If you guys want to see more episodes, just subscribe to my channel, and every time there's a new episode, you'll get a notification. But let's conclude this tour of this amazing house. You guys saw the first floor, you saw the second floor, you saw the backyard and all it has to offer. But now we're in the lower level. I'm in the recreation area, enjoying a TV show. And this is a place where you can gather with your friends and family. And you could even change this room to a game room. You can do anything you want here. Now let's go check out the lounge area where you can sit by a nice gas fire. Come on. Now this is a great space if you want to get away from it all. You could get a few friends, enjoy a cocktail over a beautiful fire. Also, during the warmer months, you could come over here to the large sliding glass doors that allow in this beautiful natural light, but also will allow in a nice breeze. So you can really enjoy the outside-inside effect of this home. You see, Georgica Builders always pays attention to detail, and this is one detail that I like very much. But this isn't it. We have one more room to show you before we conclude the tour. We have the gym area. And the gym area, I also call it a studio, because if you have kids or if you like to dance, you could also use it as a dance area. Come on, let's check it out. Now this gym studio space is approximately 17 by 20. It's climate controlled, and as you can see, it's glass encased. It also has full-length mirrors throughout. You guys could customize this room to your liking, whatever it is that you like to do to work out. There's enough room, enough space for you to do so. Now that 6th and final bedroom is right here in the lower level. That's great if you have a large family or if you have a guest coming over and they want to enjoy a nice private area and enjoy the lower level to themselves. Now let me go get comfortable so I could break down all this house has to offer. You see, I'm finding myself right back in front of that fireplace on the lower level. Well, let's wrap this up with a little bit of information about the home. Again, this house is 6 bedrooms, 7.5 baths. It's approximately 7,000 square feet of home, sitting on 0.6 acres of property. Now that's a house. Guys, I couldn't stress enough how beautiful this house is. And remember, location is key. And living in the village of Southampton, there's no other place you want to live. You live just minutes away from Main Street, where all the stores and all the restaurants are, and just minutes away from Cooper's Beach, which is one of the best beaches, not only in the Hamptons, but in America. Guys, thank you for tuning in to another episode of I Got the Key.